Hello lovelies, I'm back with another wig making tutorial, and for today's wig I'll be making use of this hair that was sent to me by Leeven hair. Okay, a seller sent me this hair and here is it. It's a spring twist. Let me open it for you to see. It's from Leeven hair. Okay, I'll leave all the details of this hair in the description area. Feel free to check it out. This is how it comes. It comes in 8 inches, color black, 1B, 8 inches. See how soft and stretchy it looks. Very, very soft. You can see in 8 inches. So they sent me 8 packs of this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, they sent me 8 packs of this. Okay, so today I'm going to make a wig with this hair, guys. Stay with me to see how I'm first of all, I'm going to twist this into a passion twist. I'll take you through the process. Okay, so and I believe my tutorial is always self-explanatory. Okay guys, if you want to learn, just pay attention to what you are looking at, what I'm describing. Okay, just pay attention to the tutorial. There's no need for me to talk through, as you always know my tutorial. So I'm doing the intro now. I'll take you along for you to see how I twist this up into a passion twist. Then I'll go ahead to make the wig cap. Okay guys, as I said earlier, the detail of this hair will be in the description area, and also I'll pin it at the comment section. Okay, feel free to check it out. Very soft and very lightweight. Very lightweight. They have it in different color. This comes in 1B. Okay, and they have it in different lengths too. This is 8 inches. If you want it longer, just choose your desired length. Okay, so guys, with that being said, let's get straight into the tutorial. I've gone ahead to twist some of the hair, and you can see how puffy and fluffy it looks. So now I'm going to show you how I achieve this fluffy twist. Okay, here is the spring twist. This is how it came, you can see. Okay, so I'll go ahead and fluff it out, separate it like this. Just pull one side down, it will fluff out like this. Pull the other side, then it will fluff out. Okay, then in the middle you just separate it a little bit. Okay, just like this. Here is it. Okay, this is how we are going to use it. This is what will give you the fluffy look of the twist. If you use it directly like this, it will not give you a fluffy look. Okay, but you have to do it like this. Make the hair like this, then you get a perfect twist. So I went ahead to put it around my rope. Make sure the two sides are equal. Okay, then I'll loose twist, guys, please. Very loose twist, not tight. Then I'll continue to twist until I get to the end. Twist, twist, twist until I get to the ends of the hair. I'm done twisting, and this is how it looks like. You can see how stretchy and puffy it looks. Okay, that's how I did all this one, and that's what I'm going to do to the rest. I'm done with 4 packs, and I'm left with 4 packs to twist up. Okay, I forgot to make mention of this. The package came with crochet hook, as you can see, and there is some rubber bands in it, color black. So it comes with crochet hook. Yes, so now I'm going to continue twisting the rest off camera, and I'll be back. I'm done twisting the hair, as you can see. Okay, here is it. So I'm going to start the wig making. I'm using a dummy cap. Here is it. feel free to use any wig cap of your choice. We have the net one, okay? So I'm using the dummy cap, and also I'm going for a side part look, okay? So I will place this closure net at the side and sew it down, okay? Then I will start crocheting the hair. Don't go nowhere. Continue watching to see how the wig will turn out.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They say, be meek, look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine, will surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Hold on, hold on.
This is the outcome of the wig. See how fluffy and full it looks. Very beautiful and very lightweight. It is not heavy at all. It's very lightweight. Remember, the details of this hair will be in the description area in case you are interested. I so much love how it turned out. Very, very beautiful. Thank you all for watching this video to this point. Remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if this is your first time, and turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Till I come your way next time, stay blessed and bye-bye.